In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D shape, create a 3D shape in After Effects. So what you have to do first is to actually create a shape. So if you, let's say I'm going to select Ellipse tool or even a rectangle, anything you want. I'm going to go with Ellipse tool. I'm just going to click, double click here, and now I have a Ellipse tool. You can of course resize this. I can add some fill as well, like this. Now what I have to do is to right click here, columns, and make sure you have enable switchers. Alright, and now just click on this icon here, and now automatically I'll see this 3D, but you probably won't see this. So what you have to do is to go to view here, sorry, not here, custom view 3, just here. Probably for you is this one, the active camera default. Make sure you select custom view 3 or even 1, but I like 3. And now we have to go to geometry options and extrusion depth, and we just have to increase this. And now we have a 3D shape, as you can see. And now here are the layers. Also make sure here in render options you have you can select quality, you can select Cinema 3D then, and also we can right click here and select pre-compose. And now we have this 3D object. We just have to add here some segments, and here also have material options. So yeah, there's a lot of options. All right, and now we can also create a different shape. Let's create actually a star. Now we can grab this, resize it, fill with the color that you want. We can also go here, like when you select it, can select from solid color, none, and here none if you want to, or a solid color. You can add any color you want here. Click on OK. You can pre-compose. We can add a 3D star as well there. And make sure you select your 3D. Also view 2. Okay. Material, extrusion. As you can see, we have a 3D. A 3D object. And here we can add bevel. Here I can add some bevel as well. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section. And if you have questions related to Adobe After Effects, let me know in the comments section. I'll create a tutorial for you if you have any other questions. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Now let's actually create some text. And I can go actually to text here and add some really nice text here. Well, what I'm gonna write? I'm gonna write never give up, maybe. Why not something inspirational? Something motivational. Now, here I can change color, font. Now, what can I do is actually click on here, make the text 3D, go to geometry node and just increase extrusion. If I don't want all the shapes here, I can actually remove all the shapes. And here in our text here, now we can click on view, and as you can see, you can even click like just default, but now also what I like to do is add here angular. And now the next thing is to right click here and add some camera. Click on OK. Now I can just move this like this. This position, it's fine. And now if you want to rotate, we can rotate the text. You can also press on your keyboard. You can also press on your keyboard C. Now you can rotate like this. Now you have a 3D text. And now we can add some light. So if I click camera, I have the camera here. I can right click here and add some light. And just make sure you move this light. You can select this to see from the front. Just grab this. So it's now is in the front. And that's kind of the what I'm going for here. But of course now you can add anything how you want. You can move it and change the position exactly the way you like. All right, that's, I know this is what I'm doing right now. It's something very simple for beginners, for complete beginners. Don't think I'm a, I'm not a professional either. I'm actually a pretty beginner as well. But I really hope you learned something. Now you're more familiar with After Effects.